Hi, Daniel Parsons. I've got a Prife International update for you. I am a Prife International independent business owner, and we are a global marketing company where everybody is independent business owners. And the company has no actual sales staff, and they market and sell their products through um, independent business owners and affiliates. And so I want to quickly share about really taking time to research any company that you want to get into and fully understand the compensation plan. I personally made a mistake with this company when I joined in January 2022. Today's the 12th of January, so I'm coming up on my 2-year mark with Prife International. The income has really blessed us. I know many people out there are searching for a way to produce more income. And the Prife devices, they sell themselves. They actually help heat up your body, and they resonate terahertz frequency. And it's the same frequency that your cells inside your body already are existing on that same frequency. So when Einstein said the future of medicine's heating up the bones, and so I want to give a real quick medical disclaimer and an income disclaimer. The medical disclaimer: I'm not a medical provider. I have absolutely no education in the medical field. All I do is I teach teams how to build and how to make income in affiliate marketing, network marketing opportunities. I am proud of my industry because done right, done professionally, it sets people free with really in demand products that are um, not available in your local stores and markets. So, the other income update I want to share and disclaimer. Um, Income is dependent upon your ability and your efforts. And I'm not claiming that you're going to, succeed in Prife International. And so I fulfilled all of my legal requirements there. And the FDA for the USA, even though I'm in Chile, my business is registered in USA. And so we don't treat, cure, prevent, diagnose any disease or illness. We market and sell wellness in-home therapy devices. And so consult your medical provider before doing anything new with your health and wellness. So real quickly on the income plan, I had a customer buy the iTera Bio Lite this week. And everywhere I looked in my tree, I did not find a gold because it's a gold package, and gold packages pay $240 bonus on the level pairing. And if it so happens to end up being a group pairing as a diamond, I get $72 also. And so I figured out a way to do that. I have 6 different positions in Prife International besides my main position of Parsons, which is my last name. And so I saw that I had a diamond, and then you can always do level pairs with the same package. There's 3 packages: silver, which is the red classic blower, which is $400 in the US now. And so you can do that one as a silver package, and then you can also the pro gold packages. Those are products like your premium blower and the new premium plus that's coming. And then the diamond packages are, the iTeraBio Lite is also a gold, and that's what I actually sold to a customer on the East Coast. So the diamond packages are your pro blower and your iTeraBio full scale model. And I'm not sure yet, but I believe that the Oxy Tap Infuser will also be a diamond package. We will learn about the price of that at the Prife International Second Worldwide Convention coming up later this month in Thailand. So, uh, by figuring out that in my other positions, when you have these other positions in the company, and they're mostly all silver packages, because what I was doing was I was buying spots to be able to put diamonds with diamonds in my binary tree. And so I've pretty much fully grasped everything now about this income plan, and it's really powerful. And if you work with just a few people and you all go to town and really start working on this business, it can set you free financially. But I'm not saying that it will. It can, because many people have given black eyes to the direct sales industry because they offer pie in the sky and things that are just not realistic. And I mean, I used to listen to somebody's presentation and it's all hype, 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 and got to get in now, get in now. And I studied this industry. I made my living in this industry, and the best nutritional supplement products are in this industry. And I'm still alive, and getting towards my middle 60s now, and I'm still alive because of the direct sales industry. Done right, it is a professional industry. It's not a Ponzi scam because we offer products and devices. And so Ponzi scams are things where you make an investment and then they keep feeding the money up to the top people. And so this is not a Ponzi scam, because I have people in my history in the network marketing industry that I sponsored, and they made a boatload of money and they set themselves free financially. So it all depends on your ability. So that's it on this update for Prife International pay plan with the Daniel Parsons team. Look forward to working with you further in 2024. Bye for now.